Hi, dear spectators. You see Samia, Taslima, and Moriam. Their childhood running, and in this moment, blazing air. However, sunlight very sweet. They are jumping. Very nice time pass. Therefore, laughing and playing some time pass her life. You see their personal matter, write, read, or playing time pass. Therefore, her life is very happy, no tension. Their life in, no crisis. Her life in. Therefore, very proud. Her mother and father. I want you, her good wisher. Okay, thanks for this honor.